Hi dancers, this is how you put the whole colorful dance together. This song starts right away with hey, and you do the arms only version 1 dance to that chorus. Then there's something special, and it's a short instrumental and the first verse with some singing. And that's a great time to do a hand dance, maybe come close to your screen. Then it goes back to the chorus. It's the second time we're hearing the chorus. So now we do arms and legs, version 2. Chorus repeats again, do arms and legs and jumps and turns for version 3. There's another short instrumental break and another verse. And this is a time where I like to play with the feeling of celebration and moving any way I want and having some fun. The chorus comes back. We go back kind of to the beginning, but things are in a slightly different sequence now. Version 1, arms only. Chorus repeats. Version 2, arms and legs. Short instrumental, another hand dance. And that turns into a bridge. As the bridge ends, backing up to do version 3, the one with jumps and turns. Chorus repeats again. This is version 4, where you kind of do version 3, but you add your own special style to it. Have some fun, and then as the song ends, freeze in a shape. All right, I'm gonna do it in a new video because this is a long explanation.